What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Sweet and Savory Barbecue. I'm your host, Jamie Trader, and today we're going to be knocking out sweet chili wings on the Weber Kettle. Let's get started. So the way we're going to start this is by making our sauce. I put the recipe for this right up on the screen. We've got some water, some rice wine vinegar, a little bit of soy sauce, some cayenne pepper, a couple of cloves of garlic, and some white sugar. We're going to get this mixed up, bring it up to a boil on our stove. We're going to add in some red pepper flakes and then get it thickened up. We've got our sauce up to a boil now. We're going to add in our red chili flakes. Stir them around and just give this just a couple of minutes to simmer. Then we're going to add in a cornstarch slurry mix and just keep this warm till our wings are done. So we're going to start with some party style wings. I bought these frozen right from the grocery store, just thawed them out in the fridge. We've got them padded nice and dry. You want to get that skin as dry as you can to help it crisp up there on the grill. Now we're going to get some seasoning on them. We're using the Killer Hogs AP seasoning. It's a salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Goes great on anything you're trying to grill. We're going to start with the back side. That way we keep our top side nice and pretty. And just get a good dose of seasoning on there. Make sure you shake it up every now and then, get everything mixed up. Go ahead and get them flipped over. Now we're going to go back and season that top side. And this is going to be the only seasoning we're putting on these. We'll get the rest of that sweet chili flavor from our sauce. We're going to let these hang out here right on the cutting board while we go out inside and get the kettle fired up. We're going to get our grill started today. We've got a chimney full of royal oak briquettes, a couple of tumbleweeds. Just light them, get our coals right on top, and let them get heated up, and we'll put them into the Vortex. So we've got our charcoal good and hot. We'll get our Vortex set up right in the middle. Dump all that charcoal right in that Vortex. Get our cooking grate in place. And I got a chunk of cherry wood, just gonna set right over here on top of the coals. We got our vents running wide open here. Get our lid on, let it come up to temp. Your dial is going to be past 500 degrees, which is what you want. That Vortex shoots the heat up and around the dome. Grill's nice and hot now. We're just going to get our wings around the Vortex. You don't want to ever put them on top of that Vortex. It's really hot right there. You're just going to burn them up. Nice wood flavor from that cherry chunk. We'll let these go for about 10 minutes and we'll come back and flip them. All right, our first 10 minutes is up. We're gonna come in here, just flip these around, get them cooking nice and even. Starting to get some nice color on there. All right, set another timer for another 10 minutes. They'll be getting close to done. 20 total minutes now. Get one more flip on these wings. They're looking good. Good down there. And after this last flip, they're only going to take another 5 or 10 minutes. We'll just keep an eye on them and we'll come back and get them sauced up. So we've had 30 total minutes cooking on these wings and they are done. They're looking beautiful. Got a good color from that cherry wood. Just gonna get these on a plate and get them inside and get them sauced up. So we've got our wings inside. We're gonna get them sauced up. We've got a bowl here. We're just gonna do about 3, 4 at a time. Pour a little bit of our sauce over there. You don't want to go too heavy with it. It's pretty spicy sauce. And then just mix them on up. And get them put out here on our cutting board. We're gonna get the rest of these sauced up and then it's time to try them. So before we dig into them, we're gonna review what we did real quick. We started out just by making our sauce. It was just a sweet chili sauce. It was really easy to make. Once that was made up, we just put it on low and let it stay warm. Then we got our wings out of the refrigerator, dried them off. We got some seasoning on them using that Killer Hogs AP seasoning. Got them out on our Weber grill with a Vortex. Took them about 30 minutes, flipping them every 10 or so, and they are done. We got them in here, sauced them. It's that simple, and now it's time to eat. I'm gonna come here and grab a flat. It's my favorite part of the wing. They're sweet, they're spicy. They got a good savory notes from that AP rub, a good grill flavor, done through and through. That is an awesome wing. Thank you for checking out this week's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check us out on all our other social media outlets, Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see y'all next time.